They are responsible for mapping and measuring the physical features of a piece of land, including its elevation, contours, and other natural and man-made features. In the bustling city of Delhi, there is a growing demand for topographical surveyors, especially in areas like Greenpark. Greenpark is known for its lush greenery and residential neighborhoods, making it an attractive location for both developers and homeowners. Therefore, the need for accurate and detailed topographical surveys in Greenpark cannot be overstated. When it comes to topographical surveys in Greenpark, one name that stands out is SCON Design. SCON Design is a reputable surveying company based in Delhi that specializes in providing high-quality topographical surveys to clients in various sectors, including real estate, construction, and infrastructure development. With their team of experienced surveyors and state-of-the-art equipment, SCON Design has built a strong reputation for delivering accurate and reliable surveying services. Therefore, conducting topographical surveys in Greenpark requires a comprehensive understanding of the different types of terrain and land use patterns. SCON Design has extensive experience in surveying diverse landscapes and is well equipped to handle the unique challenges that come with surveying in Greenpark. Their surveyors are skilled at capturing the intricate details of the land, ensuring that their surveys provide an accurate representation of the topography. In addition to their expertise in topographical surveys, SCON Design also offers a range of other surveying services that are essential for urban planning and development. These include boundary surveys, elevation certificates, and construction staking services. By offering a comprehensive suite of surveying services, SCON Design aims to be a one-stop solution for all surveying needs in Greenpark and beyond. The importance of accurate topographical surveys cannot be overstated when it comes to urban planning and development. These surveys provide valuable information about the land's suitability for construction, potential drainage issues, and other factors that can impact the design and feasibility of development projects. By hiring professional topographical surveyors like SCON Design, developers and planners can make informed decisions and minimize risks associated with their projects. In conclusion, topographical surveyors play a vital role in urban planning and development in areas like Greenpark in Delhi. SCON Design is a reputable surveying company that specializes in providing high-quality topographical surveys in Greenpark and beyond. With their expertise and state-of-the-art equipment, they ensure accurate and reliable results for their clients. By hiring professional topographical surveyors like SCON Design, developers and planners